Winter is a very busy season at Kohl's Collision Centers. At their Clifton Park location, you'll be hard-pressed to find an open spot for a car, and everyone hard at work.
Of everything in between, all the way to the outside of the vehicle and reassembly.
But along with all the normal everyday business operations, the painting, the fixing of cars, Kohl's Collision also has to follow state and federal air quality regulations. It can sometimes be a confusing process, but it turned to a state program that took all the worries away.
Printing or painting or manufacturing, any business that has atmospheric depositions that impact air quality, we work with them to help remediate those issues.
The Small Business Environmental Assistance Program is a free service run by the New York State Environmental Facilities Corporation.
Pretty much basically walked me through everything that I needed to do to get compliant.
Last year, it helped more than 200 businesses around the state become compliant by offering a 24-hour hotline, performing site surveys, and helping with permit applications. Since seeking out their help, Kohl's has gone green by using water-based paint and a state-of-the-art painting booth. It also saved them a lot of time and hassle.
Without that, I guess I could tell you I would have had to have done all the research myself, and pretty much I could have been outside of the scope of the law by the time I was done.
And even better for businesses, the corporation isn't there to report any problems to other agencies.
We work with companies in complete confidence. We want to make sure that we're not making business more difficult for them. We want to make sure that we're helping them succeed.
It's one less thing that you really have to worry about that can really hang you up with fines and New York State compliance. Absolutely.
Helping small businesses and us breathe a little easier. For the Capital Region Business Beat, I'm John Doherty.